What is going on, YouTube? Today's video is gonna be about me installing a 4060 back on my green truck. I don't know if y'all seen it on the previous videos. I just picked it up last night. I was gonna trade the truck for a 4-door since I need something a little bigger plus stock, but a lot of people, you know, just wasting my time. So I went ahead and just picked up this 4060 to go ahead and finish it off. Probably sell it running or trade it, or maybe even just keep it to daily. I am daily in my 427 right now, so it is a little loud. So that's the only reason why I want something quieter for the moment. I am gonna be picking up the video once I get back home to Galveston. Since like I said, I just it's a somewhat built transmission, not all the way. It has a 60 planetaries, I think it said. Shift kit, separator plate, Corvette servo. What else it had? Metal steel, something like that. Yeah, wider band as well. So should hold the little 5.3 that it has on right now. We are gonna hold off on our all motor 6.2 that we're gonna throw in it, or a bigger motor for now. Catch on the, y'all know, every fucking day it's 427. Chugs gas like a motherfucker, man. God dang it. Well, we're finally home. About to install the 4060. On this bad boy right here. Y'all stay tuned, guys. Going through the process how to install it if I don't need help by myself right now. So if I don't need help and I can show y'all how to do it by myself, I will. We are gonna be needing these stuff for safety purposes. One jack. I normally use the ramps. You don't have to. 2 jack stands. Another ramp for the other side. All right, we're gonna be putting the trans mount on it. Found it in the garage. Putting it on. be installing these little clips for the transmission lines. They go right here on these two. It should look like this. Shouldn't require any tools. It just pretty much just self-explanatory. If you do need a tool or anything, I recommend this. To take them off, you do need this for sure. But to put them on, it's pretty easy. See that? All the way in. Is to hug the little circle. Ready to go. Next is gonna be safety switch. Like everything's ready to go. Got the neutral safety switch on, the trans mount, the bolt for the shift linkage as well. Only thing I'm missing is a speed sensor, which I am gonna go get either today or tomorrow. She's ready to roll. Comes the heavy part, torque converter, put it back on. Want to make sure you spin 3 times so it goes in. There you go. So you kind of want to push it and turn it at the same time. Woo! Finally in there. Tough job by yourself, guys. Try to get some help if you can. If not, do what you gotta do. Woo. Well, transmission's on, all bolted up. Now need the torque converter bolts, starter, dry shaft. Still missing that. That's next. What else? The dipstick as well. And spark plugs, wires, and the intake manifold, and I think that'll be it. Hopefully she'll be running within the next day or two, just depends. But yep, she's almost out, guys. Like I said, it's only missing the manifold, spark plug wires, and the spark plugs. Coder intake, I have it in the back. Torque converter bolts, dry shaft, torque converter bolts, starter, and fluids. I see her in the next video, guys. She sits pretty. I like it. Drive shafts on. Just need spark plugs and a few more bolts. So we're ready to turn on. Don't forget, guys, safety first, safety first. Jack stands, jack stand again. Ramp. Go ahead and pick up the video once it's all said and done. Startup video, see if everything goes as planned. Well, YouTube, I wasn't able to finish the video. I got rid of the truck. Got a surprise. I traded the truck for a car. Ooh-wee. Well, like I was telling y'all guys, got a new car, traded it for the green single cab. So I wasn't able to finish the install. I did install most of it, but didn't get it running. But this is the new daily, guys. I needed something to drive. Y'all can't tell me she ain't beautiful. She's beautiful. Pumping through. She just needs a little bit of love, window tint, take off the plastic, dig off the wheels, and the interior's pretty nice. Standard LS2, guys, 2005.